Hey there guys, what is up? In this video, we are going to show you how to leave a review or a rating in Uber for your driver. Now, if you want to leave a review, it's quite simple. There are a couple ways to do so. The first way is the moment you step off of their vehicle, there's going to be a pop-up that will appear where you can rate them, star rating. So 5 stars up to 1 star. And then you can get you can add a feedback as a customer. As you can see, you're distracted by phone. So if your Uber driver is distracted while driving, which is very very dangerous, so do that. Another way you can do that is go to activity, right? And then on any trip that you have, go through the option for your receipt. In your receipt option, you're going to have an option to rate them again afterwards. So those are the two ways you can do so. And again, after that, it's just going to pile up if their service is terrible. So pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. I'll see you on the next video.